Hey there, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Stamping. I have an unboxing for you. This was a surprise, another surprise from my husband, and I'm gonna do an unboxing for you. So apparently he ordered some more stuff for me, I guess for Mother's Day, and I'm gonna see what else he ordered. I guess he saw some deals. Let's see. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's about 5 things in here. Let's see what he got. He said if I didn't like anything, he guesses I can just take it and return it. Another coupon. So, has anybody tried this yet? Y'all let me know in the comments below. This is, I guess, their new fragrance mist or in their line, this new rose. So, y'all let me know if y'all have tried it and what you think about it in the comments below. I'm real funny about flowery scents, so I have to be careful. I think they're kind of strong. So I tend to stay away from them. That's why I was really lucky that I did like this Fresh Cut Lilacs that he got the last time. It's a light scent, so I did like that. Because I'm more into like these kind of scents, like berry waffle, lavender. I do like that because that's a light flowered scent. But anything like rose or anything like that, it's kind of usually a harsh scent. So I'm just wondering how that would smell. So let's see what he got. I see 3 candles here. Let's see. Ooh, Eucalyptus Mint Rain. These must be, I wonder if these are new. Oh, that smells nice. I told him I've never had any of the smaller jars. And y'all, excuse my nails. I haven't had a chance to do anything with my nails. They look awful. So yeah, I told him I've never really tried any of their smaller jar size. So they must have had a deal on them or something for him to get some. This smells nice. It's a light scent. And they are made with essential oils. So I told him I like the ones that are made with essential oils. So this is Eucalyptus Mint Rain he got. Let's set that aside and let's see what else we've got here. Oh, Peach Bellini. Oh, now see, I like that. That smells nice. Good summery, spring summery scent. Yep, I like that. I was telling them I needed some spring summer scented candles. Ooh, suntan. I bet this is going to smell like the beach. Yeah, I told them I like those beach scents. Oh, okay. I thought it would smell more like coconut or something. Maybe it smells. Let's see. What does it have in it, I wonder? I need my readers. I think it says sun-kissed citrus, orange blossoms, coconut husk. Okay. I like to burn it really I thought it would smell more like coconut and suntan oil, but it's different. So I'll have to let you know more about this one once it's burned. Yeah, I think that's, but it's definitely a summer scent. So let's move all this out of the way. See these. So we got this and this and this. And then he got room sprays, Midnight Blue Citrus, and oh, Georgia Peach. Okay. So let's see how they smell. Smells like a peach. And me being originally from Georgia, I love peaches. And Midnight Blue Citrus. I can smell that Georgia peach. That smells nice too. So both of those smell really nice. So there you go. There is my other haul. Little haul that I got. So we can zoom in a little bit. That he got me. So if you like this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Please remember, I'm trying to get it there. There we go. Please remember to subscribe. If you're not a subscriber already, please share. And yeah, let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of these, and if you have, which one's your favorite. And I thank you for watching, and y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye now.